First thing you want to do when you get into your vehicle is turn your main control panel on. And then from here you can turn your internal lights on. And then next we've got your water pump, but you just need to check how much water you've got in the tank before you do. And then we've got your awning light for outside. And then we've got your whale heating system. So we've got your water and heating. They're both the same. So you've got your gas for your heating and water. And then we've got electric on heating and water. So you can either use just gas, just electric, or you can use gas and electric at the same time. When it's orange, it means it's working and heating from that energy source. In a minute, the gas will go orange as well. On the outside, you've got your temperature. So you've got about 5 degrees for your first one, and then it'll go all the way up to about 30 degrees. And then for your hot water, you've got your electric setting, and then we've got your gas setting. Always make sure that you turn both of these off before you turn your main control panel button off, otherwise it will error and cause a fault.